Hey guys, today I'm really excited to go ahead and unbox my new transition style colors. These are brand new colors that are going to be added to the Signature 7 series of the transition lenses. So let's take a look. So recently in the mail, this came in, and this is Transition's new logo. And obviously a pretty cool box here. So I'm going to pop open the box. Awesome. Your color, your style. I love the branding behind this. And Transition Signature. Wonderful. I'm really just doing this one-handed, so I'm going to go ahead and slide this off. And pull this open. A little challenging one-handed, but I got it. As you can see, there are my frames with the new lenses. Nice and clear indoors. We're not outside in the presence of UV light. But let's go outside and check out and see how these activate. So I just walked outside and you can see that they're actually already starting to change, but I'm not even in the sun yet, or in the UV. And they're just about fully activated now, and you can see that I got a nice sapphire tint here. Looks pretty cool. Definitely something to check out, and these should be released fairly soon, so get excited. If you have any questions about the lenses or any comments, feel free to leave them below. I'm really excited to kind of see these things come to market and see the style factor of transitions continue to shift and evolve over the years. I almost forgot to mention, they still have the benefits of the Signature series with that UV and blue light protection, but also becoming fully clear indoors.